Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So if you are unable to install this update, that is KB5120998 on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Simply restart your computer first. Simply restart. Do not ignore this step. Restart your PC and then check. If that does not work, type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator only. Click on yes to allow. Copy the first command and then paste it over here. Hit the enter key. Now this process will take some time. It will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third scan, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your PC. After the system restart, you can check. Now if scans are stuck, you can follow the next step. Next step is to start these services. Type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to again automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update. Somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Scroll down, here you can see Windows Update, make a double click, again set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, then click on restart. Once this is done, now you can try to update. Still not working, in that case you can go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option. Click on pick a date. You can select any date and then pause the update. Once the update is paused, now click on resume updates and let the update install and then check. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now on this website, the link is provided in the video description. Now on this website, you can write on the name of the update, that is KB. So it's KB5120998 and then click on search. Now on this page, now first of all, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, then click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. For me, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type, open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. So for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 basis, and this is the right one for me. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. If you have Windows 11 version 26H2 x64, then this is the right one. Now you can select, for me this is the right one. Now click on download over here and then click on the update, that is KB5120998, and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction. You can install this update manually. Once done, restart your PC. After the system restart, you can update. Still not working. The next step is, after the system restart, it should be installed. Next step is to use fix problems using Windows Update. Go to Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here and scroll down, go to recovery option. Over here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your PC and then update. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Over here you can see media creation tool. The link is provided in the video description. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, you can click on finish. Let this close automatically. It will take a couple of seconds, so maybe a minute to close. Close this. Once closed, do not close. It will close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Now over here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to me.